back to my channel. My name is Kay Pryor. In this video, I will be sharing with you all of the free mobile-friendly apps that I personally use to edit all of my videos and create my thumbnails. So let's jump right into it. The first app we're going to get into is called PixArt. I use this app to create my thumbnails and blur or erase the backgrounds, add images to my videos, draw or sketch designs, add text directly to my videos like this or to my thumbnails. They also have letter curving and different text fonts. They have different templates that you can search or follow to create designs like intros, outros, banners, and so much more. They also have AI technology for picture enhancement. Y'all, the possibilities are endless. Check it out and see what you can create with it. I do have to admit, some features are locked and only available if you sign up for a subscription. I've been using this app for years, so for me, it was worth getting the subscription, and they do give you a discount if you're in school, but the basic free features alone is more than enough, and I also feel as if this app is very easy to use and catch on to. The second app I'm going to mention is called Canva. I use this app to create my thumbnails, add text to photos, backgrounds, and create collages. I also use it to create my banner, my intro, my outro. You can search for different templates to use. They have special effects and letter curving. They have free pictures that you can use and different layouts that you can add your own photos to. So I will say download the app and create something just for fun to test out some of their features. There are some selections in the app that you do have to pay for if you choose to, but all of the things that I use on there are free. The next app is called Lightroom. I use this app to bring out the color in my photos and for my thumbnails. They have an auto suggestion where you can automatically adjust your photo quality. I personally don't like that feature. I just do everything myself, but check it out and see if you will like it, see if it works for you. Just to name a few selections that you can adjust, they have light, color, effects, and details that you can adjust to your preference. Also, to give y'all a big tip, so if you go to Pinterest and you type in free Lightroom presets, you will see so many different options that pop up for free, and they're all easy to use. The fourth app is called iMovie. This is the only app that I use to edit all of my YouTube videos. Within iMovie, I import pictures and text, I adjust my volume, I do transitions, I add music. So anything editing, I do it right inside of iMovie. And one thing that I really like about iMovie is it has very basic features and they're all easy to understand. It's perfect if you're just starting YouTube. When I first started learning how to edit my videos, it was very easy for me to catch on and get used to some of the features. If you've never used iMovie before, I would suggest that you import a video into it, just play with it and see different features they have, different sounds, the transition, and create something just for fun. The fifth app is called ChatGPT. This is an AI app that I recently just started using. It is completely free and I mainly use it for title suggestions and tags for my videos. You can use it for so much more, like video ideas, your description box, thumbnail suggestions, or even things that are not related to YouTube, like other social media handles or your own personal use. Just to give y'all an example, I am going to go on my phone and open up the ChatGPT app. Once I have the app open, I am going to type in title suggestions for a YouTube cooking video about tofu. So once I enter the information in, it's going to come back with a few title suggestions. Now let's say I'm not liking any of these suggestions. I'm going to type in the word more, and more suggestions are going to pop up on the screen. Let's just say I like number 15, for example. I'm going to hard press and I'm going to select the text and select number 15, and I'm going to copy it to my clipboard. It's very simple and easy to use, and you could just like play around with it, put in different title suggestions. I would recommend that you test it out and see how it benefits you. I've been using it for a little bit under a month now, and it's been growing on me, and I'm actually starting to like it a lot. It's definitely helpful and makes my content process easier. So for number 6, I'm actually going to tell y'all where I get all of my background music for all of my YouTube videos. It can be challenging to find copyright-free music, and when I first started, I had no idea where to get my music from. One of the channels that I discovered for copyright-free background music is called Luke Rembo. I'm not sure if I said his name right, but it's my go-to channel for most of my YouTube videos. I also just discovered Lofi Girl. They have so many different options and sounds that you can choose from. And one big tip I am going to add, when I'm using their music, I always put it in my description box to give them credit. If you're looking for a different sound, you can just type in copyright free music in a YouTube search bar and see what pops up. To save the songs to your device, you can either screen record or go to this website and download all of the songs for free, which is what I recommend because it'll save you some time and you don't have to sit there screen recording, especially if the song is long. You don't want to sit there screen recording for a couple of minutes waiting for it to finish. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.